He's 2. How does he know to draw on Vans? Just draw on the wall or something else that we can easily paint over. Hey guys, it's me, Malika, and I'm in a really good mood right now because I went downstairs and I saw that my brother drew on my Vans. Like, okay, yeah, I know they're not the cleanest because I haven't washed them, but like, that's bad with a red pen too. And I have my other shoe right here, but I already started cleaning it, and then I was like, wait, I need to make a YouTube video about this. So yeah, this is like, he just took one of those red Paper Mate pens and like drew on me and my sister's white Vans. Like, so anyways, I was pretty mad about that. I looked up different ways to clean it. It said you can use hairspray, and it said you can use rubbing alcohol and bleach and like baking soda and like all these different stuff. So I went and tried the hairspray. It wasn't like super good. So then I tried like the rubbing alcohol, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you how to clean off your red pen or whatever color pen off of your Vans shoes. Okay, so first you want to take a cotton ball and you're going to put a little bit of rubbing alcohol. This is 70%. Just kind of, oh, it's more than a little bit. And I'm put my hand in the shoe and then I'm going to blot all this red area. Okay, and then you can already see right here some of the red is on the Q-tip cotton ball, and we're just going to keep on going until soon your cotton ball will get dry. Okay, there's like, it's not collecting any more pen, so I'm going to get a new cotton ball. Go ahead, blot to some of the liquid out if you have a lot of liquid left on it. This, and now go back to blotting. Okay, now the shoe is like pretty, like the red is just like a hue, a really light hue on the white. And now I'm going to bleach them. So here's the other one. I'll work on this one a little more, but you can still see some red right here. Okay, so I got some bleach here, concentrated bleach, and I couldn't really find like exact directions of how to make this. So I'm just gonna put like probably here with bleach, and there's like 5 times or 10 times the amount of water. Okay, so that's all bleach, so we don't want to touch that. If that spills on me, that'll be sad. So then I'm probably going to fill it up to like here with water, I'm guessing. Okay, so I filled it up to there with water, and then I have just a little toothbrush. This actually goes to my Sonicare toothbrush, but it's okay because this is like an old one and I'm not going to use this one anymore. Don't worry, I'm not going to brush my teeth with this now. Bleach my teeth. So I'm mixing this up, and then it has, I guess, the bleach stuff on it. So then we're just gonna start scrubbing. It like smells so bad. I don't know why though. Okay, now we're going to rinse them out in cold water because I was just told by my mom and grandma that the bleach will eat it. So that would be sad. Just going to rinse them out. Make sure I get all the bleach that's on the inside, because this like thing sucks up it, so you kind of push down. Oh, it's so much cleaner. Like, before this was like brown, like you could barely see the van sign. Okay, here's the shoes after I put rubbing alcohol on them and blotted them with that, and then bleached them. I can definitely tell a difference already with the inside for sure. So now I'm going to wash them on cold with like extra soap and extra white booster and see how they turn out. So I just added up a bunch of this washing soda all over my shoes in there. I'm going to add a little bit of rubbing alcohol because why not? What harm can it do? And then last but not least, I'm going to just add some of our laundry detergent. Probably up to just the 2. And then I have it set to delicate, and then also cold, and slow for the spin, and this normal, and then off. And let's see how it turns out. So it is the next day or 2 days later. I can't remember which one. But anyways, I washed my shoes, took them out of the washing machine, and I air dried them. Okay, they're not this way, guys. Let me flip you around. I air dried them, and look at how clean they got. I'm so happy. Like, yes, they have some of the stains, but like not nearly as much as they had. And look, you can't even tell they're red at all. This is so, I'm so happy with what happened here. So yeah, they're just air drying there, because if you put them in the dryer, then they can warp, and that would be a very sad day. So yeah, they're all good. They're all clean. I'm happy. Back on my brother, our relationship is restored. So yeah, if you get pen on your Vans, this is how you clean them. Super easy.